So we're now working on some scalar data types. Our first challenge asks us, is the int, the integer data type, built to hold a decimal place? It's not. Integers don't have decimals, so we can go ahead and answer no. See, that's correct. Let's go ahead and move on to the second challenge as well. It says, in the example function above, get middle letter, can a non-integer integer be used to index a string of characters, i.e. will my string 3.0 return the character in the third index, assuming that the string is long enough. Instead of actually looking at that function, why don't we just jump in and take a look at what this actually does? So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to say my string is equal to a string. And what I'm going to want to do is I'm going to try to print my string, and I'm going to use the square brackets to index, and like we said, the 3.0. Let's go ahead and jump over to the terminal and execute that. It says string indices must be integers. That gives me my answer. I cannot use a float. It has to be an integer. So can a non-integer be used? No, it cannot. And we can see that's the correct answer. We'll see you on a separate video for the third challenge, and then over to floating point number data type after that.